windmills, remember, if you fight with them, may swing round their huge arms and cast you down into the mire.
Or up among the stars.
Is it perfume from a dress? Is it that makes me so digress? Is it perfume from a dress that makes me so digress? Is it perfume from a dress? Is it that makes me so digress? Do I dare disturb the universe? The women from the sky,
okay. Hi everybody, it's Theo, and it's very windy here tonight, and my husband just told me that the winds are going to get up to 100 kilometers or 100 kilometers tonight. So either way, that's fast. I live in the French countryside, and with the cows in fields. Right. Like you want some color, right? You shut up. God. This is like, I'm like King Lear. I feel like King Lear. I'm gonna kick the shit out of this computer. What is that? That's unused printer ink. Very weird about printer ink. You know, like, I have to use every last drop of that because the printer I have makes you change both color and black and white cartridges whether you need to or not, and it's like really fascist, so I'm like determined to use every last drop. I like to have my covers in like big lumps, you know, like I don't like them laid out flat, you know, I need lumpy, you know. Not sure what it is about hanging clothes on the wall. It's fucked up, yo. Find tape. Oh, look behind there. That's a drawing of my friend Mark. Yeah. You cooking? Okay.
Il y a des pains dans le frigo, mais je crois qu'elles sont...
Moi aussi.
C'est la pub, donc j'en profite, mais bon, c'est...
Tu veux que je fasse
Non,
cuire
quelque
quelque chose?
chose.
I don't care, no. What? Je cuisine.
Ok.
What? Tu veux cuisiner ou
Non,
quoi?
non, mais si tu veux cuisiner, ok, je veux simplement pas te déranger.
You don't derange me?
Ok.
Okay.
Now and then, I may grow tender, walking alone in the blue cool of evening through some garden, fresh with flowers after the benediction of the rain. My poor big devil of a nose inhales April, and I follow with my eyes where some boy, with a girl upon his arm, passes a patch of silver. I feel somehow, I wish I had a woman too, walking with me under the moon, and holding my arm, and smiling. When I dream, I forget. Then I see the shadow of my profile on the wall.